many common foods carried unseen, deadly threats. This silent killer disappeared, thanks to one man's genius. Today, we explore pasteurization's profound, world-changing impact on everyone. Before this process, consuming milk often risked serious disease. Think about widespread outbreaks of tuberculosis and typhoid fever. These terrifying illnesses claimed countless lives, especially children. A revolutionary scientific discovery changed everything for future generations. It reshaped our food supply and public health forever. Our story begins with Louis Pasteur in the 1860s. He was a French chemist, studying wine and beer spoilage. Briefly killed harmful Pasteur organisms, observed microbes, caused undesirable fermentation in liquids. Briefly killed harmful Pasteur organisms. This precise heat treatment prevented spoilage without altering taste. Initially, this technique was for preserving wine and beer. The process proved vital for countless other perishable products. It laid the foundation for modern food preservation methods. The greatest impact came from applying it to milk. Raw milk often carried dangerous bacteria like Mycobacterium bovis. This pathogen caused bovine tuberculosis, devastating human populations. Infant mortality rates from contaminated milk were shockingly high. Dr. Henry Coit campaigned tirelessly for milk pasteurization in early 1900s America. Despite initial resistance, New York City made pasteurization mandatory for all milk in 1912. This decision dramatically reduced childhood disease and death rates. It was a monumental shift in urban public health policy. Pasteurization's adoption spread rapidly across the globe. Governments recognized its critical role in safeguarding citizens. It transformed dairy farming and the entire food industry. Consumers gained access to safer, longer-lasting, more reliable products. It significantly reduced food waste, boosting economic stability. The process became a cornerstone of modern public health infrastructure.
Millions of lives have been saved since its widespread implementation.
Millions of processing lie. Still, some modern debates question pasteurization's necessity. The raw milk movement argues for unpasteurized milk's benefits. However, health organizations strongly caution against raw milk risks. Listeria, Salmonella, and E. coli remain serious threats. The Centers for Disease Control, CDC, reports raw milk dangers. Pasteurization continues to provide a vital safety net for consumers. Yet Louis Pasteur's legacy protects our food every day.
From wine spoilage to global health, pasteurization impacted everything.
It stands as a testament to science's profound societal influence. Remember this crucial process the next time you enjoy dairy. It truly transformed how we safely consume our food. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of food science history.